In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create knockout text effects in PowerPoint. Knockout text effects are a fantastic way to add visual intrigue to your presentations by creating a cutout look on your text, which allows the background image to show through. We'll go through this step by step, ensuring you have all the know-how to create a stunning visual effect. Let's dive right in. First, you want to start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Ensure you have your presentation ready, as today's focus is on adding a knockout text effect to an existing slide. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to your presentation and find the specific slide that contains the image you plan to work with. This image will act as the backdrop for your knockout text effect, so take a moment to position it as you'd like it to appear in the final design. Now with your slide open, go ahead and click on the Insert tab located at the top of your PowerPoint interface. This tab is where you'll find most of the necessary tools for adding elements to your slides, including shapes and text boxes. From here, click on the shape icon. A drop-down menu will appear with various shape options. For this effect, select the rectangle shape. You'll want to draw this rectangle shape directly over the image. Ensure it covers the entire area where you want the text effect to appear. Think of this rectangle as the canvas for your knockout text. Once your rectangle is in place, head back to the Insert tab and select Text Box. Click and drag on your rectangle to create a text area, and then type in the text you want to highlight with this effect. Select a font and size that matches the style you're going for to make sure the impact is just right. Once you've added your text, click on the text box and while holding the Shift key, also select your rectangle shape. This lets PowerPoint know you want to work with both objects simultaneously. Next, navigate to the Shape Format tab, usually found at the top of your PowerPoint window. This is where you will find options for modifying and combining shapes. From there, locate and click on Merge Shapes. It's a powerful tool that helps in achieving various design outcomes, including our goal of knockout text. When the Merge Shapes menu appears, choose Combine. This option will give your rectangle a text cutout effect, allowing the image behind it to show through the text. And there you have it. You've successfully created a knockout text effect in PowerPoint. This technique can be used in a multitude of ways to make your presentations more dynamic and appealing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different images, shapes, and text styles to fully master this effect. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.